In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram direct messages not loading easy and fast. Hello guys, so to fix this problem is very easy. All what you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone right here, as you can see, and then go to the apps manager and go to the apps right here, go to Instagram, and after that on this page all what you have to do here is very simple. Just click here on force stop like this, and after you click on force stop, go to storage, and then all what you have to do now is click on clear data and clear cache, and after you click on it, go back. Now all what you have to do is open the Play Store and search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram, now right here you will find this update option. Click on it and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.